Who let the Doge out? Guys, look at this. Boom! 21% up for today on Dogecoin. I need to tell you guys what I've been doing for the past 24 hours because I am really happy about what I just did. So if you saw my video yesterday, if you haven't seen it, go check it out. There'll be a link somewhere. Go check out the video up here or up here. Go check out the video. But, so guys, yesterday, I decided to drop. Dogecoin dropped really low. And it dropped at 15.1 cents. 15.1. I decided to buy Robinhood yesterday. I put $300 on Robinhood. I'm going to show you guys this. I put $300 on Robinhood at 18.99 cents. I saw how Dogecoin was crashing down to 15 cents. What I did was I sold what I put on Robinhood, guys, the $300, within a couple hours. This all happened within a couple hours. So I bought it at $18.99. It jumped back up to like 19, I think I sold at 19.26. And I saw that I could make that profit on Robinhood. And what I did is I took that money and I bought Dogecoin at 15.1 cents. So I'm going to show you guys all this so you guys could follow. This was my order yesterday, guys, to buy. December 13th, you guys could see I bought $300 worth of Robinhood at 18.99 cents. We're going to scroll all the way back down. And you guys could see I sold it at 2:42 p.m. for 19.26. So for a 25 cents gain per share, pretty much. A little bit more. So a solid 25 cents per share over 15 share. Not much, but a profit is a profit. And what I did is I dumped it on Dogecoin. And I bought Dogecoin. I saw the dip, guys. I'm going to show you guys real quick. I bought it yesterday on the 13th, as you guys could see. So I sold at 242 or something like that. And you guys could see I bought at 242 at 15 cents, 15.2 cents. This morning, I woke up. This just happened to time, the way it timed, guys, this morning. But my girlfriend wakes up earlier. So at 6, I woke up. I just happened to wake up. I didn't get up. I just woke up. And I looked at my phone. And when I looked at my phone, I got an alert on Dogecoin. Dogecoin, guys, when I looked, it was a little after 6 a.m. We were about, or maybe it was 7. Maybe it was 7. Guys, it was at the peak. It was at 22 dropping. It was at 22 dropping. So I'm going to show you guys. So I bought it at 15 cents. Well, this morning I sold. December 14th, you guys could see, I sold at 21.8. I managed to sell, guys. So you see it was 6:55 a.m. I saw, guys, I didn't try to understand what happened because I know Dogecoin goes to good news, a peak, and then it just bleeds out until the next really, really good news. But it's really rare that right now you see it skyrocket and then skyrocket some more. It just doesn't seem to happen like that with Dogecoin lately. So what I did is I sold at 21.8 cents. Guys, look at this. It's at 19.1. Ever since, it's just been bleeding back down. Now hitting a resistance at 19. What did I do? I turned around, back on the Robinhood. Look at this, guys. I'm really happy about what I just did the past 24 hours. I took that money from Dogecoin that I sold this morning, and I bought back on Robinhood. Now remember, I bought at $18.99. We're right now, guys, Robinhood is at its all-time lowest mark. If you look, 18.63. It's never been this low. Guys, I managed to get it. So I sold my Dogecoin at a good price this morning. I went to work. I didn't buy anything because the market was not open by the time I had to go to work. I just left my job and I see Robinhood, guys. I didn't even make it home. I bought it in the car. I just bought 16.4 shares, guys. So I put that $300 back on the Robinhood. I scored at 18.58 this time. So awesome, because yesterday I bought it for $18.99, sold it for $19.26, made over 25 cents profit on it, and I bought it down almost 50 cents lower than what I bought it for yesterday. So how awesome is that? Locking in a nice little sweet profit on Dogecoin. Now let's look at Dogecoin real quick. Why is it jumping so high? What happened? Elon Musk spoke. This is huge news, guys. Dogecoin will now be accepted for Tesla's merge. Elon Musk will now accept Dogecoin for merge. Let me show you guys the article. Elon Musk saying Tesla will accept Tesla will, in the most, sorry about that. Elon Musk saying Tesla will accept Dogecoin is the most 2021 crypto story ever, CoinDesk editor. This article came out 48 minutes ago. Dogecoin price increased more than 20% within 24 hours. Actually, guys, the peak when it happened. So he made this announcement that Tesla will accept, not Tesla for the cars, for merch. For now, it's for merch. Now, let's look at this article. There's a couple of things that we need to talk about too, because the Fed is about to start a meeting today. They're going to have a meeting today and tomorrow, guys. Depending on what happens on this meeting, things are going to shift. This could be a big catalyst for crypto. It could make the stocks crash. But then again, I think the stocks kind of already reacted to this upcoming meeting. But this will be really interesting. So, see, Elon Musk saying Tesla will accept Dogecoin is the most 2021 crypto story ever, CoinDesk editor. We'll see what's going to happen, but I actually have not looked at this article, guys, so I'm a bit of a mess right now. I should have looked at all this before making a video. And then, so they're saying here, the Fed meeting could be the day for Bitcoin and other crypto. So the meeting is supposed to start today at 2:30, I think, and it will end tomorrow. So I don't think the market will really reflect this meeting until tomorrow, Thursday, really. Thursday, that's when we're going to see what it's going to do, really. But you see, the more speculative assets took a beating Monday. It's simple. Everything took a beating this week and this last week, too. Everything took a beating. But this is huge, guys. There's much recent history to go on. The last time the Federal Reserve embarked on a path of tightening monetary policy following a period of easing in 2015, the price of Bitcoin was $465, or about 100th of its current price. So usually what happens, guys, this is what's going on. The Fed is about to have a meeting. They're going to stop printing so much money. That's what's going to happen, really. That's what everyone is expecting. And slowly what's going to happen is the interest rates is going to go up. That will be the next step that'll follow. But for now, the decision of this week, of tomorrow, and of today is they're pretty much going to explain that they're going to stop printing so much money. They're going to stop buying back so much bonds. Stop diluting money so much. They're going to stop producing money so much. So it's going to tighten in money. And it's going to make it that cryptos might go through the roof. This might be a good thing for crypto. This is not a good thing for stocks. That's for 100% sure. This is not a good thing for stocks. Now, if you can't put your money in stocks, real estate is through the roof right now. It might be a good idea to look, where do you put your money? Because people do have money. People do have money, always. And they're going to put it somewhere. So if it's not going to be in real estate, if it's not going to be in stocks, there's crypto. Crypto is always it's a good option. And if you look what it's been doing for the past, let's look at 5 years, man. Look at that, 95,000% up. Let's look at another crypto. Not Bitcoin Cash. This is not even Bitcoin. Actually, past 5 years, they're down 22%. So this is a terrible example. Terrible example. But let's look at some real cryptos. Bitcoin, 5 years. Look at that, 6,000% up. Ethereum, 5 years, 44,000 up. So the market going down, tightening up a little bit. What we might see is real estate price go down a little bit, or stop climbing through the roof so much. Interest rate go high. So in reality, you're not going to get your real estate unless you have cash in hand. You're not going to get your real estate for a better price because interest rates are going up. So you're not really. You're just going to be dumping more money into paying a loan instead of paying for the value of the home, really. But what you're going to do is it's going to dilute your money, but you're not going to pay cheaper because interest rates are going to go up. So pricing, it could go down 5%. House prices could go down 5%, but if the interest rate goes up, you'll see that your monthly payment will end up being the same anyways. It's going to be the same on the long run. The only thing is you're not holding as much assets because your home value is not as much. So unless you have cash in hand, it's not very helpful. Not very helpful. And I still don't think that it's really going to make the real estate crash. So it really leaves crypto in a really good spot. I really think crypto is not in a bad spot. It kind of saw a dip. We all saw a dip. I mean, right now Bitcoin is trading at 46,000. It's not at 58 like it was about not even a month ago, I think. Yeah, it lost 17,000 in a month. A month ago it was at, well, actually it was at 66. So we'll see, guys. We gotta keep an eye. The meeting starts at 2:30, I think, today. So right when you're gonna see the video, pretty much. And let's keep an eye on it. Let's see what happened at the end of the week. I'm really happy about the move that I just did on Robinhood and Dogecoin. Now you guys can see it's 1858. That's what I bought it at. I just bought it at 1588, I think. 1588, 1888. Is that how much it? 1858. 58. Actually, no, 50. Yeah, so exactly at the buying price right now. Anyways, guys, I'm out. Hang in there. Hang in there in this rough market. Don't forget to give the video a thumb up, guys. We're right at almost at 900 subscribers. We just need a couple more people. So if you're watching and you're not subscribed, get us to 900 subscribers and subscribe. Guys, I'm out. Have an awesome day. Happy investing. Booyah.